All right, so as you can see, my petition to the Inspector General of Police about Blessing CEO have been approved. This is the petition. The Inspector General of Police, the Nigerian Police Force Headquarters, Louis Edet House, Abuja. Petition against Ms. Blessing Okoro, aka Blessing CEO, for obtaining by false pretenses, by false representation, forgery, and conduct likely to defraud members of the public. We are the solicitors to Martins Vincent Hotel, herein referred to as our client, and we write this petition on his behalf and in the interest of the general public to formally request a thorough investigation into the activities of one Ms. Blessing Okoro, popularly known as Blessing CEO, herein after referred as the suspect. Statements of fact. Our client attention has been drawn to a series of representation made by the suspect across various social media platforms to a wide audience of Nigerians and global public. The suspect, who presents herself as a public figure and influencer, has constantly made claims relating to her personal life, achievements, and circumstances which have attracted significant public attention and engagement. So it's a whole lot. I don't know if I should read everything, but few weeks ago, as you all know, Blessing CEO came out and then she said she has cancer. I believed because she shaved her hair, and I felt compassion. I was sad, and on that very day, I didn't have anything in my account. I had nothing in my account. I had just this money I transferred. As you can see, I transferred 115 naira. Now, this money was what I wanted to go and use to buy food to eat. But because I saw her and I wanted to save her life, the way she spoke, she put an account number. I decided to put my last card on it, which made me went hungry, and now I have ulcer. I have serious ulcer. I've spent a lot of money. After that day, God now helped me. I did one little business and I got about 12 million. And that 12 million, I spent it on ulcer. Only to find out that she said she does not have stage 4 cancer. You understand? Look at my eyes. It broke me that she could deceive me like that. And I care about human life. There are a lot of people living with cancer. A lot. How would you come out to joke with something like this? My friend Dennis, also known as Monster Boy, an artist, his album will be dropping on the 10th of April. He's a very good artist. He also donates. Cancer killed his mom.